how many people are having trouble with their GPS on the Garmin Nuvi 3590LMT Navigator displaying PSOFF? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Turn on Navigator. Hold down the power button of your Garmin Nuvi 3590LMT Navigator until it turns on. Step 2. Establish satellite connection. Wait for the device to establish connections with satellites. A green bar signals successful connection. Step 3. Navigate main menu. Navigate back to the main menu. If it still shows GPSOFF, you can find it by pressing the back or menu button. Step 4. Select Settings option. Choose Settings from the menu options. Step 5. Activate GPS setting. Look for the GPSE or location option and select it. Make sure it's switched on. Step 6. Toggle GPS option. If already enabled, turn it off and back on. This simple toggle may resolve the PSOFF's message. By going through these steps, your Garmin Nuvi 3590LMT Navigator's GPS should now be activated and the FIXGPSISSUE issue resolved. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Garmin users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.